Hello everybody and welcome back to another ARTlapse. Today I will be taking you on this brand new venture that I'm heading out on, which is designing my own full custom tarot deck. This has been on my creative bucket list since I can remember. It is one of the top things I wanted to do and execute as an artist. So in my webcomic Magic Hats, which you can go ahead and check out at magichatscomic.com, in the story, since this comic is all about magic and beliefs and friendships and witches and shamans and all these sorts of different fantasy, mystical, magical characters, I wanted the tarot cards to play a part in the story. And so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to go ahead and design my own cards, but also as an opportunity to further expand and design the world of Magic Hats. So in these tarot cards, the characters of Magic Hats and the different kingdoms and all of that are what take the center role. So today, the first card that we're going ahead and designing is the Fool card. And the Fool represents brand new beginnings. It's all about having faith in this brand new adventure that you're embarking on and being super excited and optimistic about all the opportunities that are out there on this brand new journey. Not knowing what to expect, but having beginner's luck that everything's going to work out in our favor, because we are aligned and in tune with the universe. And believing in the universe and believing in the power of the universe. And the character that I chose to represent is Jasper. And you can go ahead and follow along in Magic Hats to later see when he's introduced and what his journey is all about. But he's going to... Well, all the characters really have major backstories, major character arcs, and character developments. But Jasper has definitely been there and back. He's super well-traveled, and he's seen a lot of the land of Cha in the comic. And on the Fool card, we have a white dog, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to put in Angel, the fairy dog mother, whom they will become friends later in the comic. Right now, it's all about Lavender and Angel, but Jasper and Angel will have their moment too later on. So in this piece, you have seen that I pulled up imagery that was my branding mood board that I made for my business. And that's where I pulled colors from, because I want to be able to sell this tarot card as a product later down the line when it's completed. But I wanted it to be cohesive in my brand, which is these light, airy, pastel-y sort of colors, so that it captures the airy and magical feeling that I like to put into my products. Plus, it allows for the characters to have more of the center stage by doing a lineless background with more pastel colors, and then in the foreground having more rich and saturated colors in this outlined figure. So I really like how those colors pair well together and allow for the characters to shine. And now I'm just placing in some highlights to just bring out some of the definition in the characters and in just so that they're a little bit more separated from the background. And there's a little bit more detail and interest in the characters since they are the highlight of this piece. Now I'm filling in Angel's colors so she can pop a little bit as well. Now I'm doing some font tests. That's my brand font, but I didn't really think it captured what I was going for. So right now I'm researching different magical decorative fonts on defont.com, and I found this very magical, elegant, and nostalgic feeling where I feel like it connects to how old tarot cards, like the original ones, feel. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Although some of the letters I went in and did some custom adjustments because I didn't feel like the F was quite reading like an F, but overall I'm happy with it. All right, here's the ending. Here's the final card. Here's Jasper and Angel embarking on their brand new journey. What's around the corner? What's their adventure that they're about to experience? Go ahead and tune in to www.magiccats.com to read along. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below for me, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And remember, you're magical, so shine on.